Welcome back, Fly Tires, to another technique video here at the Tackle Shack in Wellsboro, PA. This is Paul. Today we're going to do a dubbing loop. To start, we're going to do some wraps, and I'm using UTC 140 in black here today. We're going to get a little base down, cut off our excess. Next we're going to make a loop. So to do that, we're just basically going to put our finger on the line, bring this up over, do a couple wraps, and then we're going to bring this over the line to tie it off. And what that'll do is I'll close off that end. Bring your line up to where your thread up to where you're going to tie off. Hook your spinner on. And as you can see on this bag, I've already pre-cut it. I've got a little corner cut out. What that enables me to do is pull my dubbing out and hold everything in one shot. And I'm able to have better control of that as well as far as my amount. Once I have my dubbing laid in there, we can discard the bag, remove our finger, and then you may have to adjust. And this is just something that you got to get a feel for over time. It's hard to move things like that. Like for me, I can barely feel it. So anyway, what I like to do here is pinch my line, give this a spin, and then let it loose. And it just kind of puts that spin into it all at once, and then I'll spin it some more. Once I have that all done, I can tease it out a little. Don't want to really crank on it, but you want to pull that out, the material out. And then what we'll do here, I'll use my cradle. No, I don't want to use the cradle, I'm sorry. I'm going to start the wrap. If you want the material back, you can pull back on it, just like that right there, and that'll take and keep it going towards the rear. You're not going to trap it under as bad. And we'll tease this out after I get it forward. You'll see what we'll do here. Then we're going to tie it off just like this right here. A couple wraps. Just got to cut that there. And then what we can do is we can take our brush and you can tease this out. This works really good for dungeons and making bellies on sculpins and just about anything you want to put a little bit of bugginess and flash to. So that I have pulled so it comes out the bottom, but you can also kind of pull it straight out, whatever way you want it to be. And there you go. And that's a dubbing loop. Appreciate you watching. If you have any questions, feel free to call us here at the Tackle Shack. And materials used on this were also on our website. Thank you very much.